Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EEGI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, not an exciting day today, but a healthy day. And what do I mean by healthy? Well, it was good to see that the price finally stopped going down and more specifically decided to honor that area of support right there, which will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the videos that I did in the past. But I talked about that being in a key area of support, and you can see that today just basically bounce right off that level. So, I mean, does that mean that this is for sure the bottom and then the price is for sure going to go back upwards? No, of course not. There's no such thing as a guarantee. My point here is it at least a rational, is it at least a valid thought to throw out there that, hey, you know what? Maybe this pullback is finally over because this thing has finally started to go sideways. Yeah, that's not guaranteed, but that's a more than rational thought to have, which is also why this 0035 mark, that green line there, remains very important, because if the price all of a sudden just blasts down through there, well, then at that point, it makes absolutely no sense to be sitting there and saying, hey, it's looking like this is still some sort of consolidation and bottoming out portion. What do you mean bottoming out? The price all of a sudden, it'd be sitting at lower levels, right? So that just doesn't make any sense. But like I said, so far so good. That level continues to hold, so watch that moving forward. And then as far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep an eye on that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. That was a former support, but that's just based on foundational rules and charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So keep an eye on that if the price does start to head back upward. Then if it does, and especially if it can break above and close above that purple line, that could really start to set some things into motion that would bring back in the eyeballs and, create some interest in it, I'm sure. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, good to see that the price was able to finally go sideways today. So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.